What's the meaning of Christmas Day? Christmas Day. Christmas Day.
Christmas Day. Christmas Day. Christmas Day is a holiday celebrated annually on December 25th to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is considered one of the most important Christian holidays and is also widely recognized by non-Christians as a time for gift-giving, family gatherings, and general goodwill. The day is typically marked by attending church services, exchanging gifts, and enjoying festive meals with loved ones. In many cultures around the world, Christmas has become a significant secular holiday as well, with traditions such as decorating trees and houses with lights and ornaments.